how to make boiled watermelon and bitter lemon. So you cut your watermelon into small chunks and put them into a blender like you see there. So for the watermelon, we shall also use the rind. The watermelon rind, that white stuff, it has properties, it has good properties. We shall also use them because our purpose is to give us more energy, more libido, more performance in the bed. So I will use a spoon to scoop it out. You see, I'm using a spoon to scoop out that white bit of the watermelon. So it's very essential, it has very good properties and most people don't know it. It's very good. So now we are cutting the lemon, and for the lemon I will use also the peel, the lemon peel. It will be having a sort of a bitter taste. The lemon peel, we are using it. It also has some good properties, so you shouldn't just throw it away. We shall blend it. Blending, you sieve it, like you see that. Then we put on a source of fire. The amount you put should be in half when you remove after boiling. Boil it then so that most of the water evaporates. Then you remove it from the fire, wait it for it to cool, and you can drink it straight away when it is cool, or you can put it in the fridge. It works best on an empty stomach. So it's better to be taken in the morning. So that's how it's done. Very simple. And the good thing, these fruits are readily available everywhere. You can get them in supermarket, you can grow them, can get them anywhere. Yeah, they are readily available and they are mainly used in juices. So for our purpose, for the libido, for the strength in the bed, that's the solution. That's how we make it. Thank you.